Good day everyone, this is Born in Batanes once again. Welcome back to my channel, it's been a long time. Today, we're going to make the famous lechon bread in the Philippines during Christmas season. So here, I'm using my star bread dough recipe. But I think there is a very good recipe for the lechon bread. But for now, we're just gonna use my star bread dough recipe. But I'm going to check and try which one is the best recipe for making the lechon bread, and I'll let you know. So as you can see, I cut it in half. The other half we're using for the lechon bread, and the other half I will make the classic star bread. So this is my first time making the lechon bread, so I accept constructive criticism, and if you have a tip on how to make and shape the lechon bread and what recipe you use, please let me know, and I'm very much willing to learn from you. So as you can see, this one looks like a crocodile for the moment, and so let's see how it goes when it's done. So as usual, the recipe will be in the description box below. I will drop the link so you can check it out if you want to try to make a star bread. It's really nice, it tastes good, and I like the texture of it. Just follow the step-by-step procedure on how I do it and you will have the same result. Or if you have another trick on how to do a star bread, please let me know, and I'm very much willing to try and make it. So after pinching and turning here and there, this is my end result. So not perfect, but it will do. So after I shaped it, I let it rest for about 10 minutes, and then I brush it with the egg wash. It's just a mixture of egg yolk and water. And then I bake it on a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius until it is golden brown. It takes about 30 to 35 minutes in our oven, but depending on the oven, you will have a different result. So you might want to check on that. So there you have it. Thank you for joining me once again, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.